Toastmasters International and my club, I promise to serve my club as an official when called upon to do so, to treat my fellow club members and our guests with respect and courtesy, to bring guests to club meetings so they can see the benefits Toastmasters membership offers, to adhere to the guidelines and rules for all Toastmasters educational and recognition programs, to maintain honest and highly ethical standards during the conduct of all Toastmasters activities. Thank you. Now, I'd like to invite our President, Toastmasters, Ali, to give his President's speech.